Well, hi knickknackers. I am in the process of making some chicken enchiladas for dinner, and I am going to be utilizing the salsa verde that I made the other day. So the first thing I did was I baked a chicken earlier and I let it cool, and then I took both breasts and I threw them in this pot with the paddle and broke them up a little bit. Over here for this bowl, I have 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. I have a 24-ounce container of sour cream, and I'll be using about 3/4 of that tub. A 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, and 1 of the half pints of my salsa verde that I canned yesterday. So I'm going to take all of those and get them in the bowl and get them mixing up. And then I'm going to add a cup of this mixture to my chicken mixture. I'll be right back. Alright, so over here in my bowl with the shredded chicken, I have, I just took a big bag of cheese and tossed in probably what a little bag would be, 8 ounces or so of cheese. And you can use any kind of cheese that you like. I'm just going to throw in about a cup of that mixture into it. And then we'll set this down, and my cheese I keep in the freezer, so it might be a little hard still, but get that combined. That looks great. Get that lifted up. I'm sorry, my mixer is still a little dirty from, I just canned tomatoes earlier today, so haven't gotten it all washed off yet. So there's our mixture, and I will bring it back when I'm stuffing our tortillas and getting them lined up in our baking dish. Alright, so what I've done here is I have put some of the sauce down in the bottom of my pan so the tortillas don't stick to it. And I've taken my first tortilla and I've gotten some of the mix in there. So I know I have about 10 tortillas, so I kind of divide my mixture in half down the bowl there, and I know one side is for 5 and the other side is for 5, and hopefully that will help me get an even amount in each of the tortillas. So now I'm going to roll that one up and I'll get it in the pan, and I'll bring you back when they're all stuffed and in the pan. So I got the 10 tortillas stuffed, and now we're just going to spread this mixture over the tortillas. They're going to be nice and creamy. I know some people don't really like the creamy tortillas. If you don't like that, well, that's okay. I have tried these numerous times and we find them delicious. So, and if you don't like cream of chicken, the store-bought cream of chicken, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of the store-bought cream of soups. But for some recipes, to me, there just is no better alternative. You can make your own. I have not done that. I've made my own cream of mushroom soup, but not yet my own cream of chicken. So maybe someday when I try the cream of chicken, I'll bring you along, and maybe we'll try to remake this with my own homemade version. But for now, I'm using the store-bought stuff. So there it is, all spread out. I will go grab the Mexican cheese blend that I'm going to use over the top, and we'll get that on, and then when our oven is preheated, we'll stick it in the oven. Well, there it is with the Mexican cheese blend spread over the top. I just used a package of the pre-shredded Mexican cheese. And I was going to pan over here and let you guys see there's my tomatoes that I worked on through the day. And then if we go over here, I still have some of my mess from the tomatoes and the chicken. I have 2 there. The other one's going to go to chicken soup. And then my canner, of course, from the tomatoes. So I have a huge mess already in my kitchen. I've already done 2 loads of dishes and 2 more left to go. That's the Cannon life for you. So I'm going to get this in the oven. I'm going to preheat it to 350, and this will bake for probably 45 minutes to an hour. The cheese, all of the cheese that I put in is frozen. So if you used, just the regular refrigerated cheese, then you could probably knock off 10 or 15 minutes, but I'll probably go for about an hour, and I'll bring you back when it's nice and bubbly and hot and ready to eat. Well, it is out of the oven, and look at it bubbling. Looks delicious. Once it's cooled for 10 or 15 minutes, I will bring you back and we will do a taste test. See you soon. Alright, so I apologize for the noise in the background. That is the dishwasher trying to get caught up on some dishes from the day. So let's get this cut up a bit. Yes, don't mind my little yappy dog. Oh, look how creamy and delicious that looks. Right. And I forgot a fork, so give me 1 second. All right. So there is the bite. Hopefully it don't burn my mouth off. That is so good. Becca and I added quite a bit of extra lime to that salsa verde, so it has a really nice tang to it. Plus the sour cream gives it tang, and that creaminess from the cream and chicken soup. It's really good. I hope you guys try it. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.